Just making this quick video to show my electric pick gun that I've made from a pair of 3.6 volt scissors from Black & Decker. Basically, when you turn it on, there is a tutorial out there. This isn't my idea. I made this quite a while back, and I'm not even sure if they still make their Black & Deckers the exact same way. But all you do to make it is you take one of these. It's come off like that. You take apart the head. You cut the bottom scissor blade off. Top scissor blade is what you have here. You groove it so you can put 2 screws in. You make yourself a blade out of, I used the metal that they wrap bundles of wood with. Looks like this. Anyways, do that, cut your pattern out, and make yourself a blade like this. It's nice because it has a connection to recharge battery inside it. So that's my electric pick gun. And if you go to Lockpicking 101, they're the ones who showed me this idea. Apart from that, it does work well, as I said, but I still rather use manual picking just because it's quieter and doesn't risk damaging the pins as much as this does, because when this hits the top, if it's not completely smooth, first off you'll leave a lot of scratches on it. Also, it does impact, so it does dent a little bit on the inside, on the tops of the pins, or the surface of the pins that touch the key. So, but all lockpick guns, the electric ones, do that, so it's just a matter of choice, I guess, for whoever would rather use one of these.